All right, I just wanted to give you guys a short little video on how I would prepare for the final. So first and foremost, don't take the final until you're 100% ready to take it. So I wouldn't take it on Tuesday. I would take it on Wednesday or Thursday. That would be my first choice. The second thing is make sure you go back and look at the homework from chapter 6 through 9, or I'm sorry, 6 through 8 and chapters 9 through 10, those two homeworks. The final questions are going to be very, very similar to the homework questions that you were asked on those assignments. So you're able to go back and see what you did, how you answered, but more importantly, you're able to see the correct answers and the solutions, or how the correct answer was supposed to be brought in or arrived at. And so go back, and if you can't print it out if you can. If not, write it down. And make sure that you have kind of a copy of every type of question you've been asked with the solution handy when you take the final. It's open book, open note, and so make sure that you use all of those resources available to you. Because it's open book and open note, I have to ask slightly harder questions, and so be fully prepared. Secondly, it is open book, open note, so if you get stuck, feel free to go into your ebook and take a look at an example that's similar or any other resource in the book that might help you answer the question. Also, have blank paper and pencil in front of you so you can actually work out the question on paper and not actually have to feel like you have to do everything in your head because the question is asked you on the computer. So be fully prepared, have a nice clear desk in front of you, have a quiet space, and have all the material you need that helped you study with you and available in front of you. Again, primarily you want to have the solutions to all of the homework questions that you've already been asked when you take the final. What I've noticed is that the midterm scores are very similar to the homework scores for chapters 1 through 5, and the final scores are usually very similar to the homework scores for chapters 6 through 10. So if you weren't happy with your scores on your homework from chapters 6 through 10, make sure you go back and look at the solutions and have them available for you when you need to do the final. So hopefully you can see a big improvement on your homework grades to your final score or your final exam grade. Okay, I hope this little bit of information has helped, but the main thing is to remember it's an open book, open note test. I ask hard questions thinking that you are going to use those resources that you have, and so make sure you use them. Okay, I really wish you the best of luck, and again, I've had a great time being your professor this semester.